going on, guys? Lady Tony Vapes here. This is Matt.
Hi guys, how are you doing today?
See, you have that like guy voice. Hello everybody, I'm Lady Tony Vapes. I can't do it. This is the mag. This is the original 225 mag from Smok. It was a mod to look like a gun, and I thought it was hilarious.
Yes, you did.
But the buck didn't end there, did it?
No, it didn't.
It did not. Enter the new mag. I hope that worked.
Yeah.
So just kind of comparing the two, this is ginormous. This is a little bit more manageable.
Yeah, manageable. I still think it's too fat, man.
It's all right. Okay, so case in point, and we'll get a close up of this as well too. You still have the release valve here for your. Oh, it's a single battery.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's a bigger. Is this a bigger battery?
So it says right here it does run 21700 and 2700 single battery.
And this maxes out at 100 watts. Yes. Not 225.
But it also has a, if you can't get those batteries, it also does have a little attachment where you can put 18650s, guys. So you're not, dead in the water.
Oh, that's so nice of them.
Yeah.
How does this go? Hold on. Oh, that sound is so cool. All right, the other nice thing is the readout, because it's no longer on the side here. The readout is actually facing you. It's on the top. Yeah. So whether you're right-handed or left-handed.
Oh, yeah. Remember you brought that up?
I brought that up with a vengeance. And I was like, lefties, unite. And so they're like, let's just make it easier for everybody.
Ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous. Wow. That's a word. Pretty much the same thing. 5 clicks turns it on. 5 clicks turns it off. 3 clicks will let you get into the different mode changes. Yeah, so you can go from temperature to wattage. I mean, all that pretty much is the same.
Standard in all the tanks.
There's obviously some software upgrades that you can do with this. One thing I'm noticing here is that it's still okay. My mistake. It still has a micro USB charger or computer connector for you to do those appropriate updates on this. Oh, I like how it reads it out to tell you what battery you're using, because if you're going to use the 18650 batteries, it only maxes out at 75 watts, but if you use the new, well, not new, but the battery that this is meant for, the
21700,
that one, it can go up to 100 watts. So let's just real quick to see.
Oh, so this kit does include the new Baby Beast V2 tank. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet.
This guy right here.
Yeah. So you know how
it looks the same.
Yeah, well, it does look the same.
So here's the Prince, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Here's the Prince, and this is the Baby Beast.
Well, the Baby Beast V2.
V2, and then okay, this is still a Prince. In comparison, we just reviewed this guy.
Yeah.
So this is the Falcon.
So they kind of made it like the Falcon-esque look. It's short and fat, I guess.
Stubby.
Yeah, stubby.
We're going with the word stubby.
All right, stubby, guys. Okay. They did change out the coil. The coil's a little bit, I guess, bigger.
It's bigger and it's mesh only, right? What if you used would it even fit?
No, it doesn't fit. I've tried to use the old babies.
Okay. All right.
So they did change some. Remember how you didn't like the rubber piece here? Now it's metal.
Oh.
So that's the difference. So it's metal. They put the rubber actually on the top.
Wow. Honestly, no, in all seriousness, that amount of engineering, just that we can just flip it, and we can make it a lot more stable that way, so it doesn't keep on curling up.
Because a lot of people have been complaining about the rubber piece getting chewed up on the inside.
If you don't know this struggle of trying to keep this rubber piece down, like every time you open and close it, you don't know struggle.
So it does come with, what is it? A Baby Beast V2 S1 coil, which is a single mesh, 0.15 ohms. 40 to 80 watts, best at 60 to 70 watts.
But it also includes the S2 coil.
Yeah, the S2, which also is a 0.15, but it's a quadruple coil. So
okay.
It's 2 in there. 30
so
to 70 watts.
The S2 is made probably more for flavor.
Yes, and
S1 is for cloud.
Yeah. Pretty much.
And they're rated at the S1. You can go up to 70. The S2 you can go up to 60.
Yeah, 45, 60.
Right.
They say is the best. You know.
I'm an S2 kind of guy. If we're being completely honest, I don't really go above like 50.
Yeah, me either. Like
So,
for me.
Overall, this is fairly well weighted. This was just way too heavy overall.
Yeah.
This is fairly well weighted.
Definitely.
You don't need, and then again, if you are of the frame of mind that you do need to go over 100 watts, this is not for you.
Yeah.
I don't think you do, but there are individuals out there that do. That's fine. Do your dirt. But this is actually a really nice setup. Now the question is, here's the question. The question is, does it fit? Does it fit in the side pouch? And if it fits in the side pouch, then Tony's a happy camper. Uh-oh. It
might be too
ergonomically
weighted.
Oh, my life is ruined. I can't put it in there. This is terrible. I want to say again, and I think every time that we talk about a Smok tank and we talk about the ramp up time and everything, with Smok tanks, you need to be patient. Just chill. Going back to the Falcon, yes, the ramp up time was a lot less, but with the Smok tank, you get so much more just flavor and out of it, but you gotta be patient with it. So, I'm very excited to be trying this out for a longer term. I've been using this with the mesh.
Cobra prints.
Yeah, I've been using the Cobra with the mesh, with the mesh coil, and I was a little hesitant about mesh coils at first, and I think if you've been following along these videos, you know I'm not a fan of mesh coils, and that was again more likely because I was not patient. Yeah. When I installed this a few days ago, I took a ramp up time of approximately 15 minutes total, just like very slowly getting it from 25 to 30 to 35 and just letting it sit and letting it soak. And now, I mean, quite honestly, dude, it's...
It looks good.
I like it. By the time that you watch this video, it's already going to be after Thanksgiving. So first off, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving and a good holiday, and hope you didn't hurt yourself or kill anyone on Black Friday. And until then, if you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section down below. Links as always can be found in the description down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.